Welcome to St Hugo.
Thank you.
So, you're at the chef's table, going to get to learn about how we look at food and wine, which is quite different from other restaurants. The wine flow forms a menu, and every time we change the menu, the flow of wine changes too. We represent the best of St Hugo on every menu.
After we've got the herbs and things for the chickens and we've got that on the grill, we'll come back out and we're going to look for some asparagus. We're going to pick all the little delicates, all the sweets, the bitters, and then we're going to go picking flowers. All the big belly chefs pick flowers, so you guys are going to as well. Everything bar the proteins today is all going to come out of the ground and it's all going to get picked by us today.
Come in, guys. Grab an apron. We're going to make pasta today. We've got durum wheat flour and 00 flour. Give it a really, really good stir and squeeze it all together.
So good. Welcome to Montalto. This is our kitchen garden. We started this about 15 years ago with only a few small beds. We've now expanded to over 3 acres. Everything that we grow goes into the Montalto kitchen garden. What's picked today is used today. These are called a Hanona Kaboo. We've pulled out these parsnips this morning. Quite proud.